bia akọ baba Twi Graphics. O number 1 channel kwa akope mema graphic design enya wode na masanso ama na yemre ama wate ase. So share sa design ya no Pinterest. So who design for the first time I'll be doing say via professional graphic designers in one bit to me a design bit say so but mema wa dream that also bit to me a design and you things any and say I'll make sure senior designer a designer is a design way. I'm making sure say by the end of the video we endeavor to make creative professional designs with CC. And I best start take creative with CC or Photoshop. Message and then the first time I will share my channel now. Or best subscribe to channel now. I like a video, no like a video now, share video now, comment so on. First of all, I best start tonight a creative exercise so on. And I best start take creative exercise. Let me copy my settings now I see so on. I am here okay. So I best start take creative background so on so no. With background, you better fire rectangular tool. So my rectangle tool now they draw a rectangle. So I will draw a bit CC. So I draw a bit CC. I have a circle and I am colorway. It's about your color code in you. Bet me a copy color code. So it's a very so colorway. So I deny. It's a colorway. The next step is say a copy sa shape. So I make sure session middle. So nti epese yen copy shape na say yen duplicate shape na ebe so ye alt key no my drag shape na so nti benya we bit say the best shape we so me color so one na nti we call properties and now I fill not me a fill no so nti be so color we for shape so one na ebe so color for shape nti enya a color we say the best answer create another shape. So I have a man different color which is blue. So I into a better transfer me a control J and they duplicate the shape. So I make sure say I select the shape layer and me a control J. So I me a control J now me a control T. So I the 90 me a control T and now we so shift key no I drag up down. So I the drag up down a bit say any bad so it's a bit say the so color code we are my test shape so it's bet me a copy color code so the 9 now me okay nice one it's say enya say we no the next step me say you be convert shape ni na to smart object so the 9 it's benya we bit say it's a converting in na ko smart object the be ya say you be call a filter so it's a call a filter na ya share filter gallery. Into filter gallery, you best select green. So into say open say so who green now. You be say about filter gallery and now about texture. So in your texture and now me I select green. So select green now. Settings now me use for green in it. So the night. So bet me I copy the same settings now we use. Now me okay. So the night. Into you be apply the same principles. Ama shapes na canning na so the night. And the benya we bit say so what the 19 we bit say we are now a grouping in naming the background so what the so be naming the background so and the benya we bit say so what the 90 first step I'll say and say yeah main image be so what the man of God so what the man of God the until link to the resource file or description so what the link to the resource file in the description. So then me by when we bit say simple cry. So what deny. If me a control in as a position as a center. So the when we bit say. Then we bit say me a control J and the duplicate layer way. So what nine. Now as a color. The percent is color na by FX. Now about color overlaid. So what nine. Zenya color overlaid na ebese sa color no aba red and also color coding so why benya we bit cc so why na ya drag layer we abeshe main emoji ni layer no down so why so we abeshe asese na the arrow keys na we keyboard no so a position say so why betwe aba the left side So when you bit say so what the night. Now sound some duplicate here. So why? Into the duplicate and no say best sakala na yellow. So what the night. Into the babe copy sa yellow we. I was say simple. Into color code ni simple cra. And so the arrow key no a position na she be bit say so why fair. But just what should be saying as I won't like it. I message say obe like your video. Now subscribe to channel so what the night. It's in a big group layers we na naming emoji so what the night. The tutorial on there quick so why quick. So I should be say I'll be to me type or comment section and say quick hit into the moving on to the next step. So why your best start to draw it your text. Okay, your main text for the program is strictly prophetic. So what now it's not confirm type 2. So why confirm type 2 now. Me think can throw with the other than it's not copy now they are being simple crack. So what now. Saying again, so why be saying again. It's a font now be used for strictly prophetic from a font way. So my font way. So I be paste over no. So be now we say so why the night. Simple crack. A be reduce size make a crack. So why. We say any bad, so why size near 38.75. So why best sound in a color no strictly in a color no iron red. So why see I as a some prophetic in a color no so in it blue in color code in it. So why say in the venue we say not all 19 no say as a sun color not black. So why but and shadow black pan be giant to be bit say so my baby say any bad it's color code in it into bit me a copy color code simple cra we are now with me okay we check mark so nice one so what the nice one into no your next step no say anya strictly prophetic so what the night into no enya is strictly prophetic no the best I copy strictly prophetic way see now draw come with a bottle of oil so what the night come with a bottle of oil so why into no font na be use near popping regular so why into ebe nyan be bit say so why ebe make sure say size need that 12 so what the night ebe ya be bit say if I'm bra they na say crap bit say any bad so why say any bad since I nyan say area ebe to make groups out 2 layers we na friend team so what the night team simple class simple class na am fat team layer and if I'm brought up kakra bit say any bad so what the night bit say any bad into the next step ni say yeah the dates and I time never so what the 91st of February start with date so why into the represent in 5 dates and we copy strictly prophetic no say shift alt key na wa click so now I drag here back simple cra into any sa copy layer no even fit team ni group no so why we bit say I am fa your type 2 na highlighting na I am copy text number so what the night Friday 12 then and so start font na enya poppins so why poppins so my poppins into a bit the friend is saying we now at the semi bold so what the night poppins semi bold size in the bed 28.34 so what the night and adjust line spacing so what into a baby has say na ya trim akom kakra which say any bad so what the night and Samsung trim kom kakra yeah into a bit align line spacing ebe join at to maybe say 25 so what the night 25 any bad I am far away into center alignment the center alignment ebe na maybe say so what the night ebe na maybe say simple grand the empire ruler and say never better strictly in the top so my best any date ni na any align the better date no may never be say so what na we say any bad yeah adjust your friend saying the letter spacing you adjusting So why into infanto negative Osha say ya sesano na fa to negative 60. So why the negative 60 any bad. Negative 60 any bad. So why into benya bit say the ebe say ebe sesa 12 and 19 ebe sesa color na yellow. So why ebe sesa color na yellow. Simple cra. But just I should be the need to be bit say I miss so be comment hit so I deny. But just support the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like the video and share, so I deny, like the video and share. To the end say you better the time member so I deny or saying for a time member. They are simple flyers, simple. It's simple but pro flyer, so I deny simple but pro flyer. Into the time member simple cry and to know. But saying for a time member, first of all, a bit creative. Some ellipse be so I be at the time in the machine. So I simple techniques be a bit me use to say into a bed draw sa ellipse way. So I a bed draw ellipse bit say. So I the name ya okay. A be if you color anything so I say if you color anything my man is stroke color which is white. So I the nine as a such stroke color. A as a stroke weight and as a stroke size. The best is number bit say 3 any bad so why 3 any bad into no a be copy and as a be duplicate ellipse in there by hitting Control J so I deny I rotating the be rotating a bit say so why the be now a bit say simple cra say simple. Yeah, it's a bit say any bad so why say any bad simple cry we say any bad into the next step is a be copy date no a be copy date no into me me control na ya drag ya ba hey me see me control sorry e be me yeah alt key no na ya drag ya ba so what na ya sesa we no asesa text no me be 9 p.m. so 9 p.m. Simple grana as a color so my color be yellow. So benya be bit say so my the nine be bit say any bad. In say say any be groupy layer ni na so my be highlight na a groupy. Be highlight layers ni na a groupy no so my na a name no time and date so my na say date and time simple so I deny. Next step is the location paper so my venue and I say location paper so I deny. Then so a bega cover a type 2 na a be paste location simple okay it's a be making sure say size better baby say 9.47 so why by be reduce here anything near cry side school maybe reducing the size so I deny. I beg it na shots yes fair so my it's be bit say any bad my best is color na white then you bit say ya I best select it I be highlight it na as color na white so my I am okay so be say any bad so what na we say any bad yamfa a friend is a location layer me see location layer so my answer side if anything spacing no na letter spacing na 0 so my intervene be bit say any bad so my bit say any bad yeah intervene be bit say so my simple cry be bit say the next step is back of a logo number so my didn't catch us resources na use so video in the link na to description so I to know obe click so now I join the Telegram channel or join the Telegram channel now obe more resources now on our training in now so they are practice so I simple cry but training now they are practice so I say the logo be benya be bit say so I be bit say any but they me control A9 center logo. So I say the logo national center. Your next step is say a better pasta needing so at the night. The pasta needing beba. Until we be say so at the night, we be say any bad so why. Until your text the size need that 10.77 so why 10.77 so at the night 10.77. Until your pasta needing is saying or saying for host in the so why. Now you who say no host the program so why. It's a file type 2 and I say if I text to that a type host so why simple as ABCD. Simple as ABCD. Simple as ABCD. But just what should we be saying as I won't subscribe here? Message so be 1 hour subscribe to channel. Go subscribe to channel and like the video and not share. Like the video and not share. So why subscribe to the channel, like the video and share. Simple gra. Simple gra. Simple gra. You know, your font na be useful for. Your font na be useful for. Host no font we so at my font the very reduce host in the size make a crack my bit say so my the benya bit say and the benya bit say na asesa color e be use yellow color we nice one so my enya say enya bad so my I can't back where the back design na design I complete so at the night. I was saying for contact and count so at the night. So fast mark or copy con. Contact the web na enya be say it's in flyer and na simple cry enya be say so at the night enya be say but I be add some touches with flyer na my flyer na pop so at the night I be add some touches with na my flyer na pop into never of ebe kwa resource folder na akofa side effect so ya betu so why into ebe jaya thing. So I now access blend mode number overlaid. So when I bit say any bad, so my bit say any bad. In reduce the opacity, then go bit say 60. So my now I transform cover a last effect way. A dust effect way now I found that to say simple. And I say access blend mode and fan to screen. So my and Yanni say I am bra FX. I am man no if anything. I am bra adjustment layer. I am make sure your brightness and contrast. So I am making sure the back clipping marks na ko share. That's to your clipping marks na I increase the brightness na I bit say and find 100. So I 100 simple bra into me. In this area, so why? And that's so I should video they do in so say. But just say what should we be say now I won't subscribe here. I'm let's subscribe to channel. Now I like video and now I share. So why? And that's it.